Am I the only one who missed this new visa warning for students? The UK government just made a major announcement. Here's the latest update. The UK government has issued a clear warning to international students. Do not overstay your visa. In the past year, nearly 15,000 students claimed asylum after their studies, making students the largest group to do so. Now tens of thousands of students are being contacted directly. If you stay after your visa expires without a legal reason, you could be removed from the country. This move comes as part of a wider overhaul of the UK's asylum system. The government says the change is meant to ensure the system is fair and effective. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.